stop chasing perfection in 2025. I'm giving you 5 solid reasons. Yes, perfection. Why I personally stopped chasing perfection. So, perfection is one that we all want to have or want to indulge in. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, like, share for others to enjoy this good content, and subscribe if you like what I do and you want to see more of me and hear more of my opinion and my research work. We head straight into the video. So I'm talking about perfection. Why stop chasing perfection? Number 1, limitations. When you chase perfection, you tend to limit yourself. You tend to put yourself in a very tight corner. For instance, in a business world, where you want to establish a business, where you want to indulge into trade, selling of, let's say, fruit juice, but you are waiting to get maybe your mixer, your machine, your rotation machine, a fridge for ice cubes, which longevity the process, it makes the process very, very long. You are limited. It's putting you in that corner. Perfection is the act of killing success, in my definition. It puts limitations on our neck. We always think to find it as a yoke on our neck. If you are watching me today, whatever you intend on doing, start doing it now. Don't let perfection be your end goal. You can be perfect but not have a good result. You can be perfect but not everybody will like you. That's what I'm trying to communicate. So if you try to chase perfection, if you are trying to chase perfection in 2025 in this economic world, if you are trying to chase perfection in Africa, if you are trying to chase perfection in Ghana, you are going to put limitations on yourself. Point number 2, trying to chase perfection increases procrastination. Yes, already every human being on earth procrastinates. We tend to say we'll do it tomorrow. But if you are not finding a good reason, or you are not thinking of starting now, but looking for perfection, you are finding a better excuse to procrastinate. Say you do it tomorrow. For instance, you have a limited money on you. You want to buy something and sell for business, but you are saying, unless I get an iPhone 16 to shoot a video, unless I get a video editor, unless I get a content creator, these are the perfection takes or the perfection leaves that you are bringing in yourself that is not going to help you in any way. It is rather going to fuel in your procrastination into more growing levels. My third point is, if you don't stop chasing perfection, you will never be satisfied. Yes. I remember when I started creating my videos on YouTube and on my social media channels, I'm always looking for a way to upgrade my videos, which is good because I'm already into it. But one saying that you are not starting at all, but you are waiting to get the perfect camera, the perfect tripod, the perfect lighting, the perfect studio setting, you are never satisfied. And truly, anyone that chases perfection is truly showing the true human character in us. So let's go of perfection. Stop chasing perfection. My fourth and final point will be, it delays our success. Cast your mind back. That project that you wanted to start, if you had started long ago in that manner, by now a capital would have been added to your money. It would have become a passive income by then. But since you are waiting for the perfect container to set up your provision store, the perfect food joint to start your kelewele business, to start your cocoa business, to start your food joint, it is delaying the process. It is delaying your success. Wherever you are watching me from, I want to motivate you today. I want to motivate you as you are watching my video that stop chasing perfection. Do it today. Do it now. Start doing it now. Chasing perfection has squandered many dreams and aspirations. Chasing perfections has putting plenty people back in the village. It has become a poverty yoke on people's neck. Start like that. Start however you are starting. Don't care about what people are saying. Proceed. And I believe that nature in its own way is going to bless you towards it. In conclusion, whatever you are doing, keep focus on it. It's not about the perfection. It's about the consistency of what you are doing. The consistency of what you are doing. The little research you have done, the consistency on it, and the good quality that you are producing. These are my 3 key things. If you are able to do this, I'm telling you, you'll be successful in your own way without even noticing. So, come to the end of the video. If you haven't subscribed to this video, kindly subscribe to this video, like and share for everybody to get educated on this lovely content that we put out there. Let me know your comments, whatever comments you want me to talk about, whatever you want me to do a little research and elaborate on it. Kindly put on the comment section and I'll be glad to help you with. Until then, stay peace out there, stay blessed out there. It's